building work going on. I think they're filling up with soil around the sites. Yep, filling up all the sides. Let's see what's happening on the other side. Looks like they're up to some work again. Pouring concrete. This time they've got a whole funny setup. Let's go have a closer look. It's made all little, it almost looks like walkways. In any case, they're filling them with concrete. Things are happening. This is all the work this morning so far. This morning they filled up the soil and making these funny little walkways. This is the work that they were doing this morning. I'll have to see what it looks like by tomorrow. Interesting. I'm wondering what this is going to turn out to be.